Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Bissot here to read you the story, Five Little Penguins Slipping on the Ice. And it was written by Steve Metzger and illustrated by Laura Bryant. Now I have Miss Daisy here to help me with the story. This story is about a mama penguin with her 5 little penguins that keep playing outside and getting a little bit hurt. Let's find out what happens to these little penguins. I hope they're okay. What do you think, Daisy? Do you think they're going to be okay? I hope so. Let's find out. 5 little penguins slipping on the ice. One fell down. Ouch! That's not nice. The mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more penguins slipping on the ice." 4 little penguins sliding near a tree. One fell into the icy sea. The mother called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more penguins sliding near a tree." 3 little penguins skating all around. One flew up and then fell down. The mother called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more penguins skating all around." 2 little penguins playing on a hill. One slipped off and banged her bill. The mother called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more penguins playing on a hill." 1 little penguin jumping very high. Whee! Broke the ice and began to cry. The mother called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more penguins jumping very high." Now there's no little penguins having any fun. No little penguins, not even one. The mother called the doctor and the doctor said, "Let those penguins have some fun." Well, this was an adorable story with the 5 little penguins. I'm glad they're actually okay. And Mama called the doctor, and the doctor finally said they could go out and play. What do you think, Daisy? Would you go get into trouble out there? I don't know. We'll keep a good eye on her. I think Daisy would be a good girl out in the snow. Well, friends, thank you so much for listening to my story, and we'll read again to you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.